Hey, so I just got this new set of dishes. I just pulled this out of the box and thought I'd open up them with you and take a look and we can see them together. I have had the same kind of square dishes for a long time, and I've broken a few here and there, and it's just time for me to get a new set. I have like all white dishes in my kitchen, and I'm really excited about this set because I like the uniqueness of each dish, and yet how like beautiful they are as a set. And so I like that there's a little more texture and accent to them. And so I think it's really gonna look beautiful. I've spent the last couple of years, I just bought a condo a couple of years ago, really slowly trying to sort of just elevate what I have in my space. And I think that this is gonna be really great for that. So here is one of the plates. I love this kind of style plate with sort of a low lip around it. I have some other things sort of like this, but man, I'm just in love with the design of these. Again, like I said, each one is going to be a little bit different, and I like too that it has texture on it. So the texture is just kind of here around the rim. It's not like on the bottom or on the plate itself. Those are really smooth. But I'm a texture person. I love to like have a coffee cup that has texture on it. It's just something I really enjoy. Anyway, okay, let's take a look at each one. Here's the next plate. You can see that design is a little bit different, just to kind of compare them. See the difference there. And let's take a look at what we've got next. Each one seems to be well packaged with both a sort of thin cardboard piece and then a styrofoam piece as well. So they're well protected when they ship. You can see that design there. And I won't show you the design on each of the other pieces. We'll pull them out, but I think like the plates all have like 4 different designs, and then the bowls are going to have the same 4 different designs, for example. So there's the last like of the plate designs there. And then I've just got some more packaging to take apart. The next are the small plates, which are wrapped pretty well in some plastic. So I'm just going to pull this off. And then we have each plate here. So again, this sort of like polka dot one. I'll stack these and then show them to you all at the same time. One, 2, 3, and 4. I was going back and forth on whether or not I wanted 4 or a larger set. I did decide on the set of 4. You can see that there. These are the small plates. And then I'm going to use these for a little bit and then see if I want to buy a second set and end up with 8. I just have a small place, so I'm not usually hosting like a lot of company. Oh, I love the bowls. Look at that. There's just more space for the design because obviously a bowl comes up higher. So let's just pull each of these out. The bowls are kind of packaged around the sides. And there's that one. Number 3. Oh, I'm so excited about these. This is really going to elevate my kitchen. And honestly, going back from, because I had square bowls and plates for a while, they don't always work as well in a microwave either. So I'm just excited to go back to these round ones. But look at that. Look how pretty they are. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you. They all seem really high quality, well made. Like I said, smooth on the inside, smooth on the bottoms. Your texture is on the sides. And a really beautiful look with that white and that slight like taupe touch to them, where all the texture points are. So anyhow, I hope this was helpful for you. Have a great day.